another edition of Juicing with Jay. Today, you guys will see me fight for this right here. Vietnam white that was growing inside the lemon tree. And my neighbor actually spotted this from his side, sent me a picture and said, look at this. And so now I'm gonna give this to my neighbor for spotting it because I didn't even know that it was there, but this is a fully ripe Vietnam white. I swear to you guys, this has to be at least 1.5 pounds. But anyway, upon me retrieving this one, I found a whole bunch of buds on the Vietnam white. I didn't think I was gonna get any Vietnam whites this season, but Vietnam white, which you guys know was my first dragon fruit, is now popping up, and I'm gonna have Vietnam white this season, along with a whole bunch of other new varieties that popped up that are now I'm now in the third wave. I'm now in the third wave of dragon fruit. So you guys know the motto on the page: each one teach one. Juicing with Jay, and I will definitely see you on the next video. Woo. This monster Vietnam white. All right. Ooh. Get it the long way. You just be extra. Stop being extra. This is why I need my tripod so I can film.